Hello, my dear friends. On this very special day, I would like to remind all of you here on YouTube that your presence have made my channel even more vibrant with all your support, comments, likes, and encouragement. Although we only see each other online, deep in my heart, I am very grateful to have met all of you and with a wish that one day we will cross each other's paths. With a grateful heart, I am offering you this song, which also has all my wishes in it for you.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. So hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. So hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Again, Merry Christmas and a lovely New Year to all of you. May the season be filled with joy, kindness, and a lot of champagne. Cheers to you all.